Okay. It's more of like, calm down for a second, let me smell you.
Okay. Okay.
You're a little too excited for me, but let me smell you.
She,
That's what she's saying. Kind of just
right.
like, chill out for a second, let me smell you. She's not aggressive. Hey! Come here, you want your ball? Want your ball? Sit. Down. Roll. Good girl. Roll.
Shabby.